How to create a video in Canva with music. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can create a video with music on Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head to the search bar and search for canva.com and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. So from here you have to select a video. Now you have to select the format. I will just go with the landscape. Now once you're on the editing page, you could upload the video where you want to add the music on. So in order to upload the video from your device, scroll down here on your left hand side menu bar. There you'll find an option as uploads. Click on it. If you have not uploaded your video yet, click on upload files and from your device upload your video. Once you're here, click on videos and you will find your uploaded video under this tab. Now select the video where you want to add a music on. Here I have my video. If you want to add another video, you could also select some another video too. Now to add audio or music to this video, what you have to do is again navigate to your left hand side. If you have audio in your device and if you want to use that, then here you have to click on audio and click on upload files. After that, upload the audio from your device. Once uploaded, you will find your uploaded music in this tab. Now you have to click on it and select the audio that you want to use. But if you want to use the music from the Canva music library, then you have to swipe this menu bar a bit and here click on audio. Now you could search for any type of audio that you want to use. So from this available music, you could add one of the music. Some may be available if you have a pro account, but some of the music are available for free as well. So search for search music. Using the search bar, you could search for free audio or free music, and once all of the results are loaded, if you want to listen to that music, click on that music, and if you want to add it, click on here and then the music will be added. And if you want to add further editing such as adding text, adding filters, adding stickers, you can also do that. And once you're done editing your video with a music, then if you want to export it and save it, click on share button at the top right corner, and here now you could download it or share it if you want to share this video with anyone. So that's the way to create a video with music on Canva, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.